Hi YouTube, it's been a long while since I did an update. So this is my solar shed. I have a shed on my yard that I didn't really feel like I should have to draw the mains to. So I built my own solar panels. And it's very dark outside right now, so I wanted to show you the inside of the solar shed. This is the outside. It's just forest outside, so let's close this. So what we have here is solar panel power coming in from here. Yes, the standard 230 volt mains cable. Well, it's in rubber, but it's 0.5 square millimeters. I'm in Sweden, so I use the metric system here. So here we have the charger. Right now I'm using a lot of power, so we only have 12.1 volts. But that's okay. Down here we have a special module that is based on an STM32 and the ESP8266, and it's communicating to a RaspberryPi server inside my house to load up state of charge, current from solar panel, current to the rest of the shed, and the voltage of the battery, and it can calculate the current on the power on that. I will show you a screen dump of the website. Up here we have the central that actually control the whole shed. We'll see if my autofocus will be able to focus on that. Yeah, here we have it. Down here we have an eBay audio amplifier, LV pin, as you can see here. Really great sound. One speaker here and one speaker there, and we have the subwoofer up there somewhere. And here I have a TV running on an Android box, able to play games and have apps and stuff like that. So down here we have, oh, this is dark. Let's see if I can put on the, here we go. The flashlight on. So this is my batteries, 150 amp hours in total. One small inverter for outside lamps, one bigger inverter for all the main voltage in here. This is a relay that is directly connected to the inverter for the main voltage in the shed. Well, I guess you say this is a kilowatt. Here in Sweden it's just a power meter. So this I pretty much don't have to touch. Everything is controlled from up here. That's why we have a lot of cables going down. And yeah, I do know that the cables are a bit tiny, but I usually don't draw a lot of current, and everything is fused, so that should be okay. Here I have a double outlet and a switch for this lamp up here, 7-watt LED light, and here I have a switch or breaker, or what you call it, for the other room that will show you. Here we have a small heater that is autonomous. During the day, when the voltage in the batteries exceeds 13 volts, this will engage, and it will keep on going until the batteries are down to 12.4 volts. And if it's sun outside, so that we have a margin to actually charge up the batteries. Let me show you the inside of this. So let's just take down the speaker here. Well, it's easy to do with one hand, but with two. So here we have a Raspberry Pi 2 Model B, a lot of fuses and a lot of relays. On the back side of this board we have a DC-DC converter that drives the Raspberry Pi directly through this rib cable, and all the relays are fused. So here we have the main fuse for the Raspberry Pi, and here are all the fuses for the relays. So this is fused, of course, and the inverters down there are fused as well. And I can control everything with my mobile phone. So this is running a program made in C. And my phone that I'm filming with have a separate program that's communicating directly with that program via raw socket in a Unix socket on the Raspberry Pi. This one uses PHP post messages to a server inside the house, a Raspberry Pi server that has a PHP website that are set to receive post messages and store them in a MySQL database, which I'm going to connect to ThingSpeak. If you don't know what ThingSpeak is, you should definitely look it up. It's an easy way for IoT devices to create charts and diagrams and stuff like that. I'm going to let the server inside have a WordPress site and import the ThingSpeak charts to the WordPress, and the ThingSpeak charts are going to use the MySQL database on that actual server as well, which is fed through a custom-made PHP site. So this is my shed in here. As you can see, it's an ordinary shed. Some emergency solar LED back, solar shed, solar LED light here as well, and all my electronic stuff up here, including an old oscilloscope here. Yeah, right. So let's see the other side. This is my kid's car, totally remade, modified. Oh, I got a spider on me. So in here we have a dual setup of LED 7-watt lights. Everything is 230 volts. So it comes in here and goes through here. And here is the breaker, and we have an outlet here as well. Whoa, I just touched it. Now it's dark. makes a real difference in here. And all these windows you see, they are future solar panels. I'm gonna create solar panels of them. I don't buy already made or ready to go solar panels. I actually buy the cells from eBay and create my own solar panels. It's so much cheaper when you have the frame ready for you. You just need some sealant here and an extraordinary good paint to actually cover them. And this room is going to be converted to a sauna, so I'm going to put in spotlights or downlights here instead. Let's see if you can see the solar panels. I don't think you are. No, here they are, one of them. This is with an aluminum frame actually that I tried to, as an experiment, to actually create. And here, let's see if it can. I got some picture on it. I can just. Here I have the wire going. Here you have a spider. Just waiting for the spray. Hello, little spider. How are you? That's a small one. Here, let's see if we have a big one here. Yeah, there's a big one. What have you done? Are you two spiders or what? Yeah, you are. Got some outside light here. It is powered by the solar shed, of course. And up here, this is the house. Not solar powered yet, but this light here is. Let's see if you can see it. Let's try it again. There's a cat in the background. Hello, cat. Yeah, this cat's name is Tiger. How, Tiger? How are you? Good? You like the solar panel lights, right? Yeah, you do. You like our house as well. You eat up our cat's food. Here it is. Solar. Right. And then RFID tag reader. It's programmed for certain tags, but I haven't installed the coil yet. And here's an other outlet and some other spiders. There's a lot of spiders today. So yeah, this is my solar shed. Let's unplug everything here so it will be quiet from the inverter. And if you have any questions, please just ask me. Let's see what the voltage went up to now. 11.1, 12.1, that's not good. Let's see what this one says. You can kill it all by just pressing this button. Everything just died here. Let's see this one. this was my solar shed, or is my solar shed. Please comment or like if you like it. I like my solar shed. It's a fun experiment. Yeah, goodbye.